What's up guys? Welcome to my channel, Offset Choking. Today, as you guys can see, when you're watching this video, you can see there's a big change, right? First one is the quality of the video. Tell me that the quality is not different, okay? And second one is the fact that I'm inside of my office, if you want to call it that, because that's my office, that's my music studio. We talk about that another time. And I do a lot of things in this little space, okay? So before we even start, make sure you guys subscribe. I always tell you guys that. And for the ones that really listen to me and that subscribe and that stay subscribed, okay, I really appreciate you guys. And I don't know how can I repay y'all. I know I can do that by giving you guys better content with better quality, right? That's a fair, yeah, that's fair, right? All right, so today I'm here to talk about my YouTube channel, okay? Couple weeks ago, I was my YouTube channel was monetized and I was starting making money, like money. I was seeing good money, right? And I wake up one day, YouTube sent me a message and saying that my channel is no longer eligible for monetization. I was like, what? Ain't no way. Then they give me the reason why is because I was reusing contents, like reuse content. That means that I was using other content that wasn't mine. They say I was copy paste other contents, other videos to put on my channel, and YouTube is not okay with that. They're okay with it somehow, but there's a right way to do it, and I guess I was doing it the wrong way. Okay, so from what I like right now, my channel is no longer monetized, and I know some haters probably like it. They probably laugh about it, and it's okay. It's okay in life. And guess what? I understand it, and I got two options. The first option is to appeal it, and if I feel like YouTube do me wrong by doing this, I can show them and I can appeal it and tell them that. Show them proof that I wasn't using any other people videos, and I should be good to go. But they say if you go ahead and delete videos and then appeal, they're not gonna be okay with it. That's not good. But if you know your videos are not other people's videos, they are your own videos, okay, you can appeal it. And I think when you appeal it, it's gonna take 14 days to review it, and then they're gonna respond to you in 14 days, let you know if your appeal was good, if they made the mistake or whatever. Yes, but the second option is the fact that I can reapply in 30 days. Okay, in 30 days I can reapply. In that option, they give you other options. They say you can either delete the videos that you think that you were reusing, and then you can edit the videos. Okay, in my case, I already know that yes, I did use other videos. Yeah, I admit it. Okay, but I'm not the only one that's done it. Okay, but now I see that it's messing up with my money from YouTube, so now I'm gonna stop doing it. I already delete a lot of videos that I did put. They're not that a lot, probably 5-10 videos that I was putting on my shorts or whatever. But hey, it's all good. I learned my lesson. And one thing to guys, I took YouTube for granted, okay? Before I wasn't monetized, I was working so hard, putting out videos every day so that I can get monetized, because I wanted to get monetized, start making money for something that I like to do, right? Making videos on YouTube. I'm passionate about it, right? But once I get monetized, I start seeing money. Lately, I was so lazy and I did not put out videos or good quality videos like I was supposed to keep you guys engaged, to keep you guys keep watching me, right? But now I learned my lesson, and that's probably why God make that happen, that YouTube take my monetization away. That way I can see what I'm working, that way I can see that what I had, and not to take it for granted, because there's a lot of small YouTubers out there, a lot of people making videos on YouTube. They want to get their channel monetized, but yet they're not there yet because they don't have that 1,000 subscriber yet, and they don't have that 4,000 watch hour time yet. Okay, but me, I got it. I should be grateful, and I should be working harder, and I get it. And that's why now I'm gonna try my best to put out better content, to do my best to make sure that I don't use other people's content, or if I'm doing it, I do it the right way. That way YouTube don't ever take my monetization away again. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Yes, YouTube take my monetization away, but in 30 days, best and believe it, I'm gonna get it back. So if that's ever happened to you, make sure you guys comment. Let me know how the process was for you, and if you think that it's fair that YouTube taking people monetization away because we using other people content. Let me know if you think it's fair or not. All right, I'm out. Peace out.